You say you wanna be a star, but the city is so dense and loaded.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so very much for tuning in. For those who are watching me for the first time, hello, this is Jyoti. So, Karumzeri, and this is another day. I'm shooting it in the daylight. You can see all the yellow lights, so this is the sunlight. And okay, this is again a very casual video where I want to share some information. You know, this is what I've been doing since the lockdown has started, because obviously no other option. You cannot go out, you cannot go to restaurants, you cannot go to parks, you cannot visit places, so there's nothing much for me to show you guys. But as a responsible YouTuber, I know this, that there are people who wait for my vlogs, and I wait for your wonderful comments. And whenever I come across something which is very interesting, nice, or something which I am benefited out of it, I feel like I should share it to my YouTube family. So today I'll show you a few of the kurtis which I have recently purchased. And honestly, the price, why am I sharing, is not because of the kurtis. Okay, kurtis, like, you can, if you like what I've bought, you can buy the same. I will provide you the link in the description box below. But what is amazing about this shopping haul, or say this shopping video, is the prices. Oh my god, it is so cheap. Plus you also get a lot of discounts over there. They have COD available, first thing. Second, they have cash on delivery. They have 5 days return policy. They have 5 days exchange policy. Above all of this, the prices are already so cheap, and the material, why I've bought this, because to check ki sach mein the price which they offer and the quality which they offer, do they go along. And you will not believe until unless you yourself go and shop from there. It's amazing. I'm wearing one of the kurti which I've bought. I'll show you all of these. I'll show you the entire look, how it looks like. It is like a very lengthy kurti, let me tell you. Good length. And not only this, I have like few here I've kept here for you guys to see. So there's some construction work going on. I don't know if I'm audible. Am I audible? I guess I'm audible, because I usually shout and scream on my videos. Poor YouTuber, I don't have any additional extra mic. Okay, so yeah, I'll show you all of this. My first experience, this was my first experience obviously, and I am very much happy. I'm looking forward to shop more because they have amazing price range. And this price, you won't find any material, any kurti, and they don't only have kurti, they have a lot of varieties. What I've bought is only kurti this time, and even for ladies wear also, they have amazing like a lot of variations. Like you can go for sari, you can go for kurtis, you can go for, I don't know, lot many things. What I bought is kurtis, and that's what I'm going to show you. And unless I shop more, I cannot tell you more about this app, but it's amazing. So link is in the description. One by one I'm going to show you. Start with this first piece, which is here with me. This is a gray and a white combination, so you get all these kurtis in set. Okay, so this gray and white, okay, it's not possible obviously. I mean, you won't be able to get the best view of all of this like this here. So maybe here somewhere I'll place another additional clip to show you exactly the length of the kurti, the finish of the kurti, because obviously you will not get to see something so close and so proper in any you know, advertisements and stuff, because you see that with the best of the lightings and best of the models wearing it. What I'm going to show you is the absolute truth of what I've just bought. So this is amazing. Okay, so this gray kurti, this has cost me $6.99 only. So this was for $6.99. This is from the brand Miranshi. And this piece, I'll also mention somewhere here in the, I'll provide on the screen what it is called exactly. It's called Miranshi Solid Cotton Kurta Set. And yeah, this is obviously cotton, as you know by the name, because summer hai to you want something cotton on your body. This is a very breathable fabric. You look so amazing wearing this. The finish, the stitch is amazing, and the styling is amazing. This is just for $6.99, but trust me, when you wear this looks so super expensive. I have worn kurtis from big brands, but let me tell you, this gives you exactly the same look, and if you accessorize it the way, whichever way you want to be, this can go like really handy. Now this is perfect for either, you know, after the lockdown, if you want to go to the market, or if you want to go to the college, if you go on to, you know, your maybe your if you're a teacher in profession, you want to go for your school, or if you want to go for your office. I think this is a perfect wear wherever you want to go, and it's so stylish yet so comfortable yet so cheap and amazing quality. You're not at all compromising with the quality here. So I think this is an amazing piece to purchase. The color and everything, I love it this way, but if you go to the link, you'll find a lot many different colors, different sizes. Yeah, exactly. Now coming to the sizes, this comes in different sizes. You will find almost all the sizes. I have ordered this in small size because that's what fits to me. I'm so happy to announce this, that I come inside the fit, the small section. This is the medium one which I've bought. This is like little loose to me, but I loved it so much, and I think everybody is into this link. Okay, everybody is shopping so much. So the small was out of stock, but because I loved it so much, I bought it in medium, because obviously summer hair and little loose also looks good. So this was my kurti number 1. Do let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite kurti, which you feel ki, oh my god, this is amazing. I'm sure you're gonna mention this for all, because price wise what you receive is amazing. Now coming to this next kurti, and this kurti, oh my god, this color is so beautiful. This looks little dark, so you know, you might feel like, arey, it's too summer and you know it's a dark color, but let me tell you this. So first let me show you this beautiful kurti. You can see it is like full neck, you know what it is called, it's like collar neck. We have a collar neck here, we have buttons over here, and this is like entire full printed kurti with this leggings, not sorry, the palazzos. Yeah, for the previous one also, that white palazzo, that too I think the most versatile piece of clothing you should have in your wardrobe, because white palazzos can go with anything in this world. So it comes with this palazzo, this printed palazzo. This has this elastic band and amazing fit, and this print is very Rajasthani, and I think this print is an evergreen print. Let me tell you what this kurti is called, what is the brand name and all of that. So and also the price. So this is called Wood Dreams Navy Printed Kurta Set. This is again for $6.99 only, which is amazing. Now I'll provide you, or you might be now seeing a video where I will show you exactly how it is looking, and I will also you know, after this, once I'm done talking and showing you this, I will actually wear this and I will show you how it is looking, because it is looking amazing. And the best thing is also that it has a pocket, okay, which looks very smart. I really feel, and you know, in kurtis the only problem I feel like, it's always difficult because you don't have a pocket. So if you are someone who's like me, who carries the phone everywhere, like literally everywhere, if this kurti solves that problem by giving you a very good pocket, which actually makes it look really smart and beautiful. And I feel like this kurti looks really nice on me. Even the gray looks amazing. So for me, I'm not able to compare that which kurti looks the best on me. So you guys need to comment that below, which kurti looks the best to me. My daughter feels this pink one, the one I'm wearing, looks great because pink is her favorite color. Okay. Now let's move to this amazing kurti. OMG, I don't know if you're following me since the beginning, you know अभी इस कुछ महीनों से maybe like 6 months, 10 months, 1 year, I don't know, yellows and greens have some effect on me. I don't know, I am just in love with, you know, greens and yellows so much. Otherwise red is my favorite color, so red is like I leave for red, but yellows and greens are attracting me for some weird reason. I really don't know. So JC for you is the name of this brand, and I will show you this amazing kurti. Obviously this looks very normal, right? But when you wear this, because of this amazing pant style bottom, this piece looks so great. Oh my god, and this piece is so pretty and beautiful. Oh, this is a full length pant. Okay, so you can see this. I will also show you properly in this video clipping somewhere आसपास कहीं editing के वक्त मैं लगा दूंगी. This pant is so beautiful. Oh my god, I am in just love with this. I mean, you can pair this piece of pant with so many different you know, upperwear tops. So I think amazing again. Let me tell you, the price of this is just $5.99. so in just $5.99 you get a home delivery for this beautiful set of kurta and pant, and the fabric is cotton, and this I've bought in size medium. Beautifully done. I mean, the prints are amazing, the button placements, the color combinations, the choices are all very summery and cool and best. I don't think isse zyada you can, itna bhi you cannot expect with the price they offer you, but what you receive is much more than that. You'll be very happy, you know, if you yourself order these, if not these also, but from the same app, because it's amazing. It's really amazing. I'll provide you the link below, so you for the deal of the day. And oh my god, you will not believe that you have received something like this with this price, and this is a guarantee. So I'm ready for the reveal because I'm going to show you this. Okay, so fine, you might feel like अरे ये तो बड़ा ठीक ठाक सा लग रहा है, मतलब इसमें क्या है, but let me tell you ये क्या है. ये मेरे पास नहीं था, ये मेरे पास आज तक नहीं था. A sharara. Oh my god, can you believe you can get a sharara in $5.99? and वो कोई ऐसे ordinary sharara नहीं, you can get like beautiful sharara like this. Look at this, look at the flare it has, and oh my god, the sharara looks so nice. Oh my god, seriously, you know, shararas and stuff, I mean, imagine this piece, okay, of clothing with good finish. And I am not kidding when I'm talking about the finish. I'll show you in the video clip also, so that you know, you can properly have an idea how amazingly they have worked. The fabric is amazing, the quality, the stitches are amazing, there's no loose thread at all. And at $5.99, well, this is the deal of the day. If you guys wants to buy the same, and there are different colors and sizes available, okay, on the page, you can go and grab it today, because $5.99 में शरारा भूल जाओ. अगर आप कपड़े लेकर सजाओगे, then also it would be affordable to you. But let me tell you the name of this brand. This is called Sneha Gota Kurti Sharara set. This is in turquoise. You can see this color. मैंने एकदम पूरा रेनबो बना दिया इस बार अपने wardrobe को. I have bought like every possible colors. Otherwise you will see, you know, there was a phase in my life where I was like only red. So I had a lot of red, इतना red that, you know, मेरे घर में ऐसा हो गया था that खबरदार that you buy any red more, any single red thing. So it was like that much of red. But you can see how it is looking on me. I think it's amazing. The piece is amazing. Here you go, see and enjoy. And if you want to get something like this so beautiful with this beautiful price, you need to grab that today, okay? Because this deal is just for today. This is at the actual price of the Sharara is 699, but you are getting it for 100 rupees lesser, 599 with free delivery. Do not let this offer go away. Book it today. Okay. So as mentioned, I am in love with red, yellow and greens. Now it's not possible कि मेरे collection में yellow हो ही ना. So ये रहा yellow. And what is so amazing about this yellow? I just feel like hugging this cloth, yeah. Because I mean this is more prettier because of this bottom, which is monochromatic. Oh my god, you can look more slim or more taller wearing this. And of course, let me again tell you this yellow one. This is from Wood Dreams yellow printed kurta set. This is for 699. I got this in size medium because small was out of stock, because everybody is buying, and why my family members are not buying. So you have to get something like this because this is so cheap. I mean, obviously, if at all you want to shop and if you're thinking कि आपको shopping करनी है, आपको चीज़ें चाहिए, then you must visit this site. This is so good. Oh my god, everything is so cheap over there and it's amazing. Like I'm gonna shop a lot, and अगर मैं और shopping करूँगी which is for sure मैं करूँगी, और मैंने already other than कुर्तीज़ में मैंने कुछ और order कर रखा है और वो शायद मेरे पास पहुंच जाएगा. तो वंस वो मेरे पास पहुंच गया और मैंने अगर उसकी क्वालिटी भी देखी और मुझे अच्छा लगा तो नेक्स्ट एक और वीडियो आएगा. वो कुर्तीज़ पे नहीं है, वो मैंने कुछ और चीज़ से मंगवाई थी बिकॉज प्राइजेज़ इतनी अमेजिंग हैं, इतनी इसकी फिनिश इतनी अच्छी है, द डिज़ाइंस आर सो गुड. आई मीन यू नो यू आर नॉट जस्ट लाइक ऐसे कुछ प्लेन सा मिल गया 599 699 में कुछ ऐसा. नो, you get such beautiful designer. I think it's a replica kind of thing because it's so amazing. The color combinations are great. The way it has been stitched is great. Even the buttons, the way it's been placed, their color combinations, and the metal buttons. I mean, these are not that ordinary plastic buttons, the metal buttons. So I don't know how it is affordable for them to give it to us with this price, but somehow I have found this, and I think it's something which you must go and see to yourself. You'll be amazed. I'm telling you, I'm putting so much of effort in this because I don't want you guys to waste your money buying clothes on anywhere else, because this is an amazing place to go and shop. तो देखो अब मैं ये पहन के कैसी लग रही हूँ. ये वैसे मीडियम में है, मेरे से एक साइज़ बड़ा है, बट बहुत कंफर्टेबल है. हम आ गए हैं to the love of my life. Oh my god, the red even looks so great in the video also. It looks so nice. Tell me how many of you are crazy for red. So I am crazy for it. So I am crazy for my red. And look at the tassel and everything. Yeah, they have such good finish. How is this possible? I don't know, but okay, fine. Thank you फॉर ऑफरिंग अस इतना सस्ता. हो सके तो इससे भी सस्ता कर देना, बिकॉज आई डोंट माइंड कीपिंग माई मनी विथ मी एंड ऑल्सो शॉपिंग एट द सेम टाइम. एंड लुक एट दिस यार, दिस बॉटम, oh my god, I was talking about the white bottom which you can pair with thousand and trillion of stuffs. Look at this. पहले तो लेंथ ही देखो भाई. This palazzo is everything you want. Like if you are a girl, if you are a lady, even if you are, despite of being any gender, you must be having, you know, other female family members in your house. I mean, this is an amazing thing to have. I mean, this, when I received this, I knew that I can pair it with trillion of things which I already have in my wardrobe. Why it is such an amazing thing to go, and this red too is just taking my heart away, and this two combination, yaar, this is so great. I will show you in detail now how it looks like. So here you go, and you see this amazing piece. Oh my god, look at the length of these kurtis. They have such beautiful good length. This fits straight cut kurtas. They give you a very beautiful, you know, look when you wear them. You look more taller, you look more poised, and you know, all of that. It's so amazing. So मैंने इतनी तारीफ कर दी, ब्रांड का नाम तो बताया नहीं. ये है from B4U, and again this is for 699 only. तो 699 में मैंने इतनी सारी चीज़ें खरीदी, इतने सस्ते में खरीदी, एंड रेड में तो मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं तो कमाल ही लग रही हूँ. सो गाइस, यहाँ पे आप देख भी लो, मैं आपको पहन के दिखाती हूँ कि मैं लग कैसे रही हूँ. श्योर कि आपको मेरा प्यार तो ज़रूर दिख रहा होगा, दैट हाउ मच आई लव यू ऑल. आई नंगबू मीन्स all of you, okay? Yum Nungshe, because you guys also love me a lot, I know. एंड प्रीवियस वीडियो नहीं देखा अगर मेरा, तो जाके वो भी देखना मेरे चैनल पे. ये ज़रूर देखना, जितने ज़्यादा लोगों से शेयर कर सकती हो उतने ज़्यादा लोगों से शेयर करो, बिकॉज यू नो गुड थिंग्स शेयर होनी भी चाहिए. और समथिंग अगर आपको इतने सस्ते में और अच्छी चीज़ मिल रही हो तो शेयर करो, सबको भेजो ये इन्फॉर्मेशन, ताकि सब इसका फ़ायदा उठा सके. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, हम बात करते हैं इस अमेजिंग कुर्ती की जो मैंने पहना हुआ है और आप मुझे देख रहे हो कब से पहने हुए. तो ये जो कुर्ती है, जो क्योंकि इतनी ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल है कि मैं इसे पहन कर भी बैठी हूँ. यहाँ पर आप देखो कितने अमेजिंग. ये मैं इतनी डिटेलिंग में इसलिए बता रही हूँ, ये वन ऑफ द बेस्ट नहीं है जो आपको इस दुनिया में ऐसा ये चीज़ मिल ही नहीं सकता. बट आपको इस प्राइस में ये चीज़ें नहीं मिल सकती है. इवन इफ़ यू टेलर दैम, दिस विल कॉस्ट यू मच मोर देन द प्राइस यू आर गिविंग दैम फॉर दीज पीसेस. बिकॉज द लेंथ ऑफ द कुर्ती, ओ माई गॉड, आई एम एक्चुअली गोइंग क्रेजी फॉर द लेंथ, बिकॉज इतना ज़्यादा फैब्रिक आपको मिल रहा है, इतना प्रॉपर फिनिश आपको मिल रहा है, दिस नो लूज थ्रेड, इतनी अच्छी प्रिंट क्वालिटी आपको मिल रही है. एंड इवन दे हैव दिस यू नो लिटिल यू नो छोटे छोटे जो डेफिनेशंस उन्होंने क्रिएट करने के लिए जहाँ पे लेसेस लगाए हैं. इसका मैं आपको बॉटम भी दिखाती हूँ. इसकी बॉटम में भी लेस है, ये देखो. So this actually when you wear them ना, from ordinary to very extraordinary looks इसी से create होता है. So you know why do we pay so much to a designer dresses, because they make sure कि वो every minute detail में काम करे. And this all जितनी भी चीज़ें मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, detailing has been done in all of these kurtis. ये तो मेरा अपना पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है इन कुर्तीज़ के साथ, एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर दे कम्स विद बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स ओनली. एंड इसीलिए मैं आपके साथ ये शेयर करी हूँ. मैंने और भी चीज़ें ऑर्डर की हैं, आप यहाँ पर वीडियो में देखो कितनी अच्छी इसमें प्रिंटिंग हुई है, कितना अच्छा इसमें लेस का काम हुआ है, इतना अच्छा इसमें आपको लेंथ मिल रहा है. कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस आर सो अमेजिंग एंड गुड. एंड इसमें आपको इनके अलावा बहुत सारे और डिफरेंट कलर्स भी मिल जाएंगे. सो इट्स नॉट दैट कि यही कलर है. एंड साइजेस की भी बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है, स्मॉल है, मीडियम है, एक्स्ट्रा लार्ज है, डबल एक्सेल, और भी आप अपने बिल्कुल साइजेस का यू डोंट हैव टू वरी एट ऑल. यहाँ पे आप देखो कि मेरे पे ये ड्रेस लग कैसा रहा है. this video today. The motive of doing this video was only to give you guys a very very good piece of information, because मुझे भी ये किसी के थ्रू मिला and I am still so thankful to the person, क्योंकि मुझे इतनी अच्छी डील मिली है, तो क्योंकि मुझे इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर हुआ, तो इसलिए मैं इन्फॉर्मेशन आप लोगों के साथ भी शेयर कर रही हूँ. इफ़ यू गाइज लाइक दिस वीडियो, इफ़ यू लाइक ऐसे इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस, तो आप मुझे कमेंट करके बताएं. आई विल शेयर मोर ऑफ सच वीडियोस विद यू ऑल, एंड you also go and get benefited out of these amazing videos. I hope you all are doing good and take very good care of yourself. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video, and like this video if this was helpful to you or if you've enjoyed watching me. And that's about it, I guess, guys. Share, that's very important. And हम लोग ऑलरेडी 29K के फैमिली हो चुके हैं. अब जल्दी से 30K हो जाते हैं और थोड़ा सा खुशी मनाते हैं. एंड 50K होने पे तो एक मीट एंड ग्रीट है ही. देखते हैं हम कितना जल्दी 50K तक पहुंचते हैं. तो यस, बहुत सारा.
सो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको मेरा लिंक मिलेगा. प्लीज़ जाएँ वहाँ से और अपनी शॉपिंग करें, और मुझे ज़रूर बताएं कि आपने क्या कुछ लिया है.
मास्क पहने, सैनिटाइज करें और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन करें. एंड आई होप वी कम आउट ऑफ दिस पेंडेमिक वेरी वेरी सून. Pray for all of us. Love you all. Bye bye.